Hey guys, how's it going? We're back with another vicrez steering wheel video. As you can see here, we got 8 steering wheels that we're going to show you. These are all going out to their homes eventually today. I'm going to ship them out, but I'm going to show you guys right now all the customizations that we got. So we're going to start off from left to right. So the first one I'm going to show you right here is a matte carbon Ram 1500 steering wheel. As you can see, it's LED. This one's matte, has black leather, white stitching, if you can see like right there. So again, this is for the Ram 1500. It is for 2013 and 2018. 2013, 2018. So like those years. So again, LED, matte carbon, black leather, white stitching, no inlays, so you can see right there. This one doesn't have the center trim. So again, Ram 1500. Ram 1500, same one, 2018, 2019. You can see right here. So what this one has is LED as well. You can see, let me get a good hand. Got the LED screen. This one's just in the regular gloss carbon. You got blue carbon fiber inlay, blue leather, blue stitching. And then this one in here, the customer wanted center trim also in carbon fiber. So that's what they got. So again, this is also a Ram 1500 to 2013, 2018. Next up is another truck. This is for the Chevy Silverados. You can see right here. This one's pretty nice looking as well, especially what the customer went with it. So what the customer went with this one is it's LED, it's in forged carbon, not matte carbon or regular carbon, it's in forged carbon. The center trim as well that goes with it is also in forged carbon. You got regular red carbon fiber inlay, red stitching, and then the handles, you can see right there, they got this also in carbon fiber style for the hand grip materials. So this one's actually a pretty nice steering wheel. I actually like this combination, especially for what it is. So again, this one is for a Chevy Silverado, the years 2019, 2023. So this is the newer ones. So I actually like this one. This was pretty nice. Next up, let me show you guys. This is for the Mark V Supra. So you got the Toyota Supra. Customer went with this one. As you can see here, is they went with LED, forged carbon from the material, forged carbon inlay. The center trim as well that goes with it is also in forged carbon. They went with black leather and white stitching, which I don't know if you can see it probably in the screen right there. So this one's pretty nice. Very lightweight too, because I didn't know Supra steering wheels are this small. So yeah, it's very like light as well. So yeah, this one's pretty good. So again, Toyota Supra, the Mark V. Now next up, we're gonna get into one of our steering wheels that we always sell out a lot of. Is for the Dodges, 2015 and 2020 Dodges Challenger, Charger, Durangos, the Trackhawk, and the Chrysler 300. You can see here. So this one right here, the customer went with, is basically almost like the default style. You got the LED screen, you got the black leather, red stitching, but for the hand grips inlay, that's in red carbon fiber, and then the material, they both from one matte, so it's a red matte, and then a regular matte on the top. So yeah, almost like the default style, but in the matte color, which again, I've been seeing a lot in the last steering wheel video we did. I did mention a lot, at least seems like everyone's now starting to hop on to like the forged carbon and the matte carbons. All right, next up, we're gonna move into the Dodge Charger 2023 to 2015 and 2023. All these 4 right here are for the exact same design for the same year. They are also for the Dodge Challengers, Chargers, Durangos, the SRT Hellcats, and also, Trackhawk, that's what I meant to say, and then the Chrysler 300 C or S. I think it's a C, yeah, Chrysler 300 C, 2015 and 2023. Again, all 2015 to 2023 Dodges, the Chrysler 300. So this one's pretty nice. This one kind of went with like the default style, as you can see. You got the LED, you got the matte carbon, black leather, red stitching, and then the carbon fiber inlay is in matte red. So again, this one kind of almost looks like with the design of the default style, which everyone knows is gloss carbon, black leather, red stitching, and red carbon fiber inlay. And then again, since they went with LED, you know, you can get the options of red 12 o'clock green or the LED screen. So this one's nice. Next up, we got another matte carbon one. Again, I mentioned a lot of you guys have been actually going forward with the forges and matte. So same type of trim and years. This one has LED screen, matte carbon, blue Alcantara, blue stitching, and then blue regular carbon fiber inlay. You can see like right there. So this one's pretty nice looking. Next up, we have all forged carbon fiber. Same year, Dodge 2015 to 2023. Is forged carbon, black leather, black stitching, as you can see like right in there, if you can. forged carbon inlay, and this one they went with the white 12 o'clock ring. So this one kind of adds a pretty nice design to it. I mean, it would be nice too if they added white stitching to kind of go along with the forge in white. So this one's pretty nice looking as well. And then last but not least, we got another Dodge 2015 with the 12 o'clock ring. This one, the customer went basically all black. So you got black leather, black stitching, black 12 o'clock ring, regular carbon fiber material, no carbon fiber inlay whatsoever. It would have been nice too if they did go with the carbon fiber inlay in black. So yeah, this one's very simplistic, which is pretty nice if people like simple. I mean, who doesn't? As you can see, I have 4 new steering wheels that just came in. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. So today it's actually kind of fun. We got 2 Dodges for the 2015 and 23, and then we got 2 Nissans. So the first one I'm gonna show you right here is for the Dodge 2015 and 2023. As you can see what this customer ordered was they got the regular LED, carbon fiber, black leather, they got the orange carbon fiber inlay, and you can see right there they got the orange trim. So this one is basically almost like our default style where it would be like the red carbon inlay and the red stitching. So this one's pretty nice. Next up, I got for a Nissan 370Z. This is the 370. And for this customer, he went with the 12 o'clock ring, which he has it in black carbon fiber, black leather, black stitching as well. So this one went with like a full simplistic all black. So I'm kind of guessing maybe the customer's 370 is also all black, or maybe it's white, who knows. But this one, I actually like it. Next up, the other Dodge Charger, Dodge 2015 and 2023. For this customer, they went with LED screen also, black carbon fiber inlay, black stitching, and then they went with the purple leather, which I really like. The purple leather I actually really like. Maybe it's just like the combination, but you know, it's a pretty nice looking steering wheel, especially since this is very simple, but I really like it. And last but not least, we got another Nissan. This one is for a Nissan Juke. As you can see, it kind of looks like the Nissan 350, 370 as well, because I'm guessing the Nissan, same thing like how the Camaro and Corvette C7 does, is they look like the same. Same thing for the Chargers, Challengers, Durangos, the Jeep Dracogs, and the Chrysler 300Cs for the 2015-2023, they all have the same specs. So I'm guessing for a Nissan Juke, it looks like the same thing. I'm assuming the Nissan Maxima as well. So for this one, the customer went with orange 12 o'clock ring, black carbon fiber, black leather, and orange stitching. Can you see right here? So this one is pretty nice. So again, so if people didn't know, we also sell them for the Nissan Juke Maxima as well. And that's about it. So that's all the steering wheels we got for today. I'm gonna go ahead, pack these up. I already processed them. I got the labels printed. I'm gonna repackage them up, put them in the boxes, and they're gonna get shipped out later on today. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. We'll see you guys on the next video. Later, guys.